Hello, I'm Ole Cram. I wrote a book called The Sacrificial Trucker. Just reading one of my stories in here. I remember a day when I was trucking and it was so cold outside. It was like minus 20 degrees with wind chill. And I bought some water and I bought some food the day before. And when I woke up that morning after that, water was frozen solid. The food was frozen solid. I didn't know what I was going to do to eat. Boy, the things you go through as a trucker is crazy. So anyway, I did get this book written and had my hometown invite me to come talk about the book, do a book signing, book reading. A lot of my friends were there. It was really fun to have them again, and they were all entertained by not just that story, but a bunch of different stories. We had things happen almost every single day. I mean, I'm telling you, it's just crazy. So anyway, when I was there, people were entertained, and they came up afterwards, all wanted to buy copies of the book. That was a great thing. I really enjoyed that. So the thing that happened was they had cash, they had checks, and they had credit cards. Well, I didn't know what to do with a credit card. You know, I could handle the cash, I could handle a check, but
I know what to do when it comes to a credit card.
And that is?
And that is, you need to get yourself what I call a PayAnyWhere 2-in-1 Bluetooth credit card reader.
And what does it do?
What does it do? I'll tell you in 1 minute, but that's what you needed at your book signing.
I sure did.
Let's not talk over each other, dear. Okay, when you're selling a lot of books, like Mr. Cram, and not one person walk in with a credit card, be it American Express, Bank America card, debit card, whatever, make sure you get yourself in advance a PayAnyWhere credit card reader. I'm going to tell you how this works. I ordered this, and basically what you do, you get this little handy reader. You can carry it anywhere, in your pocket, your pocketbook, your hand, whatever. They even give you a handy little ribbon to strap it around your neck so you don't lose it while you're signing all those books that you're selling like Mr. Cram. Anyway, this is your card reader, your little holder, and it even comes with a charger because you have a Bluetooth here and it needs to be charged periodically. So how does this all work? You're wondering yourself. Well, hold tight. Girlfriend is going to tell you. Anyway, on the side, you have a little button that is so tiny, you have to keep pushing for it and looking for it, but you'll find it. You turn it on and you see the light goes from red to green. That means your Bluetooth is connected. If the red light comes on and it doesn't go off, just take your iPhone, go into your settings, and look for Bluetooth. And it should show the item. And once you see the item, the reader, the card reader number, then you're going to click on. That will connect your reader and your phone. So when that buyer come up and they want to buy 20 of your books with a credit card, you are in business. Honey, you got a credit card? All you have to do, go into your app, open up your app now. Once you get this in the mail, you have to set up an account with PayAnyWhere. They will set you up with a password, user ID, and a PIN number. Then you download the app from Apple, PayAnyWhere app. And once you download that on your phone and set up your password and your user ID and your PIN, you go into the app, you open up that app, and you go into what they call an express item. An express item is this page here, where you're going to type in the amount. Let's say for 20 books, we're talking about maybe they're on sale, $200. This is a wholesale price. Cool. So you type in 2000. Oops, I typed in 20,000. I wish I had that problem. Anyway, let's kind of delete that. We're going to make it 200. Got to keep it real for you. Anyway, so once you type in the 200, you're going to take the credit card, and some cards have chips. So on the card reader, you have 2 slots. One for a chip and one for credit cards without a chip. You just take the card and you're going to slide it, watch this, right through there. Or if you have a chip, you're going to slide the chip right in there. Cool, right? Automation is off the chain. Ching, ching. So anyway, hold that, dear. You didn't get that card number, did you? Don't you use it? I got my eyes on you. Anyway, so once you slide the card through, you're going to come back to your phone. You're going to hit add. I'm sorry, I did that a little wrong. Let me correct that. Type in the amount for your product, then you hit add. Then you slide it through the card reader, and then you process it. Once you process that, that money is going to go into an account that you previously set up with PayAnyWhere prior to using your app on your phone. That way your money goes directly. And PayAnyWhere, you wonder, what are they getting out of this? Is this really truly free? Nothing is free in this life. Nothing. Don't kid yourself. There's a percentage that they take, and that varies depending on, I think, maybe a purchase, but you would have to contact them and find out the percentage that you would be charged. But anyway, that's how PayAnyWhere works. You order it online. Let me show you this again in case you forgot. Order the 2-in-1 Bluetooth credit card reader, and you're just going to get the little reader strap, and you're going to download the app to your phone. So when that person walk up and they got all these books, you won't have to do like Mr. Cram did. He didn't have a clue. You got a clue. So you can make this happen. What do you say, dear?
Good plan. I'm going to have to get me one of them for my next book signing.
If you plan to win, you win. If you don't plan to win, you won't win. Okay? PayAnyWhere. Keep it in mind. Here's EP.
And Oli.
And we want to say, stay tuned for more how-to videos, because when you know better, you do better. Until the next time.